Hello and welcome back for episode 9 of my Witcher series. Today we're just going to continue with the Southern Valley and maybe go to Novigrad. So let's jump into it. Feeling good, feeling great. I think a lot for school today, so I'm a bit tired. And I also spent like 2 hours filming another video for school. But I've also posted on the channel. I will be filming that, but I spent a lot of time on it, and yeah, I hope it will turn out great. Almost done with my preparations for school. Oh, that's not the quest I want to do now. I want to do this one too. But yeah, I need to. The one lesson preparation is done, unless I need to add a bit more. I need to know. I don't. Oh man, I need to wait until I have that email, because I mailed and like it was like, look, I have this and this for the chapter. I think it's enough. Could you mail me if I need to do more? Because like the chapter's not fully done. It's about like the political state of France and England in the 16th century, and that was like a part of art propaganda that I didn't know if I needed to do. So unless I need to add that last lesson is complete, and I need to make a lesson about the Enlightenment, which is 2 lesson hours.
Got anything interesting?
No. Ooh, what is this? Tristiana and Isidore. Yeah, but that is
farewell.
I've like for those. Oh yeah, there's one class that I haven't gotten like an email from, which really sucks. What was I doing? Oh yeah, inventory. I need to look for something here. Yeah. Alright. Let's see what's in this book. Christianity, okay, with stepmother. Is this like a quest? Zoekwerken release. How is that important? Because it's like there was like an exclamation point with it, so I thought, oh, it's maybe quest stuff, but no. Mary Devil was thick as a wire with hooves instead of feet. Oh, I think it's about a fiend. Yeah.
What was that about?
What's become of me in me elder years? Refused a roof over me head by a common churl. I was born a noble's daughter. My brother and I, we managed the manor for years.
What happened to him?
A caller came one day, a drifter, a hunter. It wasn't long before we fell in love and wed. We prepared to leave the manor. My brother, he took offence, refused to bid me farewell. Years on I returned, but found no sign of him. Folk claimed monsters had infested our home, come to nest there.
I can kill those monsters.
I could take care of those monsters for you.
You're a witcher, right? No ordinary man would be so eager. Don't fret. It's all the same to me, provided you're honest. The house is east of here. Take this key. Once you've driven off the beasts, look for a chest. My treasure. Savings, really. They're yours.
What'll that leave you with?
A roof over my head is all I need. And if it comes to it, I've other heirlooms to sell. But I know you witchers don't work for free. I could never let you go without honest pay. Gods keep you.
Yes. So, I'll have to go to Real Manor. Yeah. Normally, because the way I simulated my saves quest will be different and how it usually goes. Maybe stuff went wrong, I don't know.
Must be the manor the old woman mentioned.
Huh. There's a cellar here.
No one's been here in a long time.
Oh, a hidden wall. Don't open it. Oh.
Strange. Wall looks like it was put up later than the others. Skeleton in the closet. Happens in the best families. A man. In his 30s, 40s maybe. Couple of pages missing. Torn out.
And so the time has come for me to die, of starvation in the dark, alone in my own manor. While my servants bring in fresh harvest just beyond the walls. My cries are in vain. No sign escapes from the stony grave. From the tomb that friend Roderick sealed me in. And yet that is not the worst. The worst wrong he's done me. He stole my Dolores, and so I curse him. 1,000 curses I call upon Roderick of Corsvalen. Not for taking my life, for taking from me, the one who gave my life meaning. If anyone ever finds my remains and this letter, please seek out my sister, Dolores Reardon. Whoa, sorry, what? I thought it was her husband, but it's her brother. That I was killed by the man who seduced her, the man she left me for, scoundrel Roderick of Corsvalen. Okay.
And thus I die, in darkness of hunger and thirst. Gods have mercy.
He was a... What's this called? Okay, yeah, that's I thought it's a tragic love story, but no, it's incest.
Not a single sign of monsters. Locals are either imagining things or someone's scared less to worry about.
Traps.
One less to worry about.
Let's just watch out for those
A
traps.
tripwire. Never known a monster to set a trap. Someone's here. Problem solved. Traps everywhere. Gotta be careful. A tripwire. A tripwire.
Dude, how many tripwires did he set up?
Wonder what door this opens.
Oops.
Something's not right.
No.
Shit. That didn't shut itself. Tripped a wire. This sort of attic. Gotta get up there somehow. Might be just long enough to reach that upper level. Let's see what's up there.
Your reflexes have slowed. Hope you're not hurt. Those were my traps.
Letho.
Yeah, didn't expect to see you either. You one of them?
It's Letho from the second Witcher game. Witcher from the School of the Viper.
Them? You know I work alone. Question is, what are you doing here?
Waiting for them. The ones trying to kill me.
Well, got nothing to fear from me. Took a job from an old woman. Supposed to get rid of the monsters here.
Did that already. Count on you remembering that when you collect your pay.
We have to.
Who'd you piss off this time?
Emperor just decided to get rid of me. I'm an inconvenient witness after all. I've run into
some interesting scars too.
ever since I left Loch Marine.
Now I understand all the traps.
Gotten real careful.
For good reason. Don't look a bit like lost travelers.
They're not. Means Lewis sold me out.
Lewis?
Old friend, kinda. Did a few jobs together once.
Yeah, does he have
back.
3 swords?
Lewis recommended this place
Yeah,
to
he
me.
does.
So maybe those men down below wound up here by accident.
Eat my own boot before I believe that. Gotta get rid of them. Coming?
He also has some weird, like, skin condition.
Lead the way. We got a plan of attack?
Yeah. Improvise.
Don't let him catch his breath! He's
Oh shit. I have no idea. Oopsie. Oh god damn it. Okay, well that's stinky. Alright, we're back. Let's not die this time. Sneak attack. Right. Shields. Decapitate and we can get Smith. Oh, you bro, what the fuck? Oh, that's the one I wanted to. Oh, Jesus. No. Ah, come on. I'm not focused enough. My head, like different things. I need to get up really early tomorrow, and I still need to make a bunch of lessons on like whatever. What the heck am I talking? It's interesting that they have Temerian ornaments and the Bulgarian florins and the general currencies, crowns. They should have done more with that. Annoying me. God damn it. Yeah, that thing isn't doing much. Letho, please do more damage. Oh! Oh, come on! Alright, let's try that again. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not having anything today.
Shut up and fight.
Ah, damn it. Oh, finally.
Goddamn fools.
Shoddily armed for assassins.
They were just scouts. Came to see if Lewis was telling the truth. Rest must be waiting nearby.
And your old pal probably knows where.
He was the only one knew I'd be here. Must have told them. Think me and him are due for a little chat.
I love this scene.
Could be interesting. Love to see it.
Come along. Sighted two witches should loosen his tongue that
Yeah,
much
it's like
quicker.
his arms are gross.
Stay close to me. It's one of those places that's hard to find if you don't know where to look.
This Lewis, somehow doubt he's one of your best friends.
You know how it is in this trade. Drink with someone in the evening, check if he's robbed you in the morning.
How'd you meet?
Was before Falcast kissed this world goodbye.
You killed
Stick closer, Geralt.
Lewis was a wanted man in Italy. Hefty bounty on his head and normal contracts were hard to come by. So I decided to catch the bastard, make some coin. Tracking him down proved easier than killing a drowner. He was, merrymaking at the Golden Hanged Man, smack in the middle of Hag. Nabbed him, tied him up, the guard post didn't open till dawn. So we had a few hours. Started talking, killing time. Chap was so nice that once dawn came, I let him go.
And that's why you trusted him? Felt he owed you one?
I was stupid. Stupidity can cost you, but betrayal costs even more.
Yeah, bit of a stupid decision indeed. Yes, so yeah, he's like the main antagonist of the second Witcher game. He makes a small mission. This is like the only real part with him. But it's nice that for me.
What company? Who's that coming? The giant with the scarred forehead. It's all grey-haired bloke. Lewis won't be happy.
Take it easy.
Letho. Greetings. Good to see you, alive and well.
Oh yeah?
Of course. We're old mates, ain't we? Who's your friend?
Must be
Geralt
nice.
of Rivia, Witcher.
Another one? What's this? Prime contract available in the area? Sit down. Care for a drink?
I don't drink with traitors and rats.
Whoa, let's be civil now. Remember, you're on my turf.
Arno Vestor's men showed up at the manor. You were the only one who knew I was there.
They'll be nipping at your heels for a while. Said so yourself. Perhaps they finally caught a whiff.
With your help.
You've not been here 5 minutes, and already you've offended me twice.
No insult worthy of scum like you.
Careful,
Yep.
they're witches.
Come on, come closer.
Jack humans.
Make an exception for you.
It's gonna be sledgehammer. Oh my god, of course they fucking do. Oh, I'm sorry, this is like the 4th time we died this episode. Okay, okay, no more deaths this time. Now on people. It's already moving. Oh, double kill! Let's go.
How long you gonna make me wait?
That's... Yes! Oh, that'll finish him off. Yes. Told you. I can't finish him off because he doesn't die.
Lie still or you'll bleed to death. Tell me where Vester's men are. I'll give you something to staunch the bleeding.
They're north of here. In Lindenvale.
I'm curious. How much does the life of an old mate get you these days?
The things been shy of late. And we fell afoul of the Black Ones. Vesta showed up one day, offered half of the bounty on your head, and a letter of absolution from the Emperor.
Mm-hmm.
You got to understand, you don't say no to an offer like that.
I understand.
Hey, my medicine!
Gotta understand, Lewis. You don't betray men like me. Time to see Vester.
Going with you.
Can we just give him a quick death? I would bleed to death anyway.
Horsens!
Oh, just fucking stuff around.
Damn you!
Bye! Have fun dying!
Go.
This rabid dog's here! Whoa!
Who? There's rabid dogs here. Oh, we want to beat to
I know
death.
Vester.
Come on.
Nilfgaardian name.
From Metner, I think. But he's hunted and killed everywhere from the far south to the Dragon Mountains.
Why have I never heard of him?
Goon goes by different names. Brendan Vilf, Apple Saxon, Manfred Wimplebottoms.
Manfred Wimplebottoms. Good name for a clown.
Ones he's done in sure weren't laughing. Preferred method, rip the teeth out one by one, and cut the mouth open ear to ear. That's how they punish dead. Keep your eyes open.
Think they're really here?
Don't know. But like I said, I've grown real careful.
Dance for all of stolen coppers, 3 great feast
No stranger to this, the kind of bad practice on human.
heads hot as a half.
Also, I just completely veered off this quest. No, probably. Because this is what I actually wanted to do.
Catch something. Sent my young'uns to pick mushrooms yesterday.
To the woods.
Nice mounts.
Gotta be worth more than the entire village.
What kind of mother are you?
More food for the rest now.
I see tasters.
What's in the barn?
Hey!
Got company? Run and find your parents. Tell them to grab whatever's valuable, take you and flee. Got it? Good. Give this to your mother. Now run.
What was that?
Compensation. Stay here and don't interfere, no matter what happens. Plug your ears.
Should we?
What the blazes?
A bolt of lightning or something?
Shut up, all of you.
Is he gonna die if I don't interfere? Oh,
Letho of Gullet. Good to see you, alive and well.
Funny. Second time today I've heard that lie.
It is no lie. You will certainly fetch a higher bounty alive.
Really? How much?
Enough to buy me an estate in Kovir, where I will lie about eating fruit till the end of my days.
Not bad. Not every man gets to know the price on his head.
Most men would prefer not to have one.
That is also
Why have you
true.
come? To make my life easier?
We were passing by. Decided it was time to finally meet the famous Arno Vester in person.
I am flattered. Shame we'll not get to know one another better.
Why? Going somewhere?
No, simply because I will kill you in a moment.
Wanna kill me, but you don't even know me. Not nice. Think I have to punish you for that. But I won't kill you. I'll just cut off your hands. Cut off all your hands. One man after the other. Till the end of your days, those stumps will remind you of the mistake you made.
Bloody hell. You fucking dimwit. I hadn't time to exchange 2 words with the man.
He provoked me!
We have no quarrel with you, but one false move
Oh
and
shit, huh?
What?
you will end like him. What say you to that?
Oh, okay, wait. Just give me a second. That's not what I wanted to happen. I'll be right back with you and then check on if I missed something. Alright, I'm back. I just looked into it for a moment and yeah, I was doing the right thing. I don't have to.
I'll go mine.
You'll see why I do this.
Wise choice. Take his head, and we leave this god's-forsaken place.
Yeah, just take his medallion. I don't
You're
need to
not
kill him.
taking anything. Need proof? Take his medallion.
We will take his head. You are 1, we are 3.
Mm-hmm. But in the time it took me to run up, Letho dropped 6 of yours with a bolt in his chest. How long will it take me to kill you?
Valid point.
What do you think?
Then, take the medallion.
We don't need
The
more
head
death.
could rot before we arrived at our destination. Saddle the horses. We
That
ride.
is also true, but
Zanguibarian venom. Something's fishy.
indeed, something's fishy. He's not dead. He faked his dead, yeah, and I fully fell for it.
You're still here.
They'd have cut your head off if I hadn't been here.
So you proved useful after all.
Could have told me.
Yeah.
No fun in that.
Yeah.
Find this amusing?
Not so loud, Geralt. I just rose from the dead.
Zangbarbarian venom could still kill you, you know. Got the antidote?
Saddlebag. Take it in a minute. Couple of days I'll be like new.
What was it for, that whole farce?
Told you. I'd been on the run since Loch Muin. Loads of pursuers. Got ambushed once, almost died. So I decided it was time to end it. Once and for all. Found Vasto's gang and paid off his arbalist. You just witnessed the rest of the story.
Yeah. Just, you know,
What about Lewis? Was he part of this plan?
Nah, a minor complication. Though his betrayal, it did get me thinking. But I had to risk it. Gotta say it's paid off. Letho of Gullet's dead as a doornail. Word of that'll spread like wildfire far and wide. All I gotta do now is disappear.
You do have like a super recognizable face, so you could go to Kaer Morhen.
You could wait things out at Kaer Morhen.
With your friends from the school, both. No thanks. Could end badly.
Tell them I sent you. They'll understand, give you space.
Kaer Morhen, you say? Why not? Got some loose ends to tie up, but then I'll head there.
Need anything else?
Help you somehow? Need anything?
No thanks. I'll be fine.
So, see you at Kaer Morhen.
See you, Wolf.
Alright. I'll also go talk to the Dolores. Yes, let's do that. I don't know if I'll start with the Novigrad quest because it's a hefty one. I think I'll save that for next episode. And then I'll just finish with side questing and stuff. Oh, this is the exact village I need to be in. It's onwards on this like onwards on the right. Oh no, it's Lindenvale.
Catch something.
That is the notice. Is she inside? Ah, here she is.
You returned. What's become of my home?
It's safe.
It's safe now. Got some hard news too, though. Found your brother's corpse bricked up in a wall. And this.
The corpse wasn't bricked up, it was... No, never mind.
So, Roderick, my husband, he killed him. Gods.
Yeah.
Sorry.
The truth can be cruel, but one can't turn back time. And perchance, did you find my chest with my treasures?
Oh, I
No.
know.
Could be someone stole it.
Perhaps. So many years have passed. But go back and search carefully. I've naught else to offer you.
I'll do that. Time I was on my way.
Gods guide you.
Maybe I should. I think the quest ends here.
Demon blood every morning. Little prick.
Yeah, it does. I'm considering doing Forefathers Eve. I'll do this one now because it's really short. And I've just kind of looking for some filler. Because I don't want to end the episode because it's a bit short then. But I also don't want to start like the main story yet. Yep. I was quite surprised. I uploaded a review of Freeman yesterday and it got like 100 views, which is by far the most I've gotten on a video. This video will get reviewed by like 2 people. But yeah, 100 is it's great, honestly. I'm glad it got some reach. I hope the video I've been working on is gonna do well, because I spent a lot of time on it. Yes, I have been doubtful because it's in Dutch, but who knows? Oh my god, dude, come on. It's really rude. Really rude.
Expecting ye?
Yes.
We know each other?
Not personal like, though I've seen ye many times. I've a gift. I see the future. Yours as well.
Sure,
but not for free, I guess.
I don't ask much. If you've a bite to eat.
Sure.
Here. Thank ye. A fine offering. Well worth a foretelling.
All right, let's hear it.
I see a white wolf. He looks on as the great viper bites and devours the silver lily. He wants to spring. He wants to fight. But the serpent is quicker. The lily must perish.
That's not the future. Lived through that, and you probably heard about it in some ballad.
My third eye grows foggier the older I
become.
become.
That one.
But if you brought me some dragon's root...
Rare plant.
Rare indeed. But it did once grow in a cave southeast of here.
Sure, whatever.
Fine. I'll see what I can do.
It's close by. Yes. I don't know what scene he refers to with the serpent and the lily. No, I'm like thinking that I don't know who that was. The serpent could be Letho, but I don't know who the silver lily would be. And the silver lily is also not city, because she's usually referred to as a swallow. But I honestly don't know. This is a good foresight. Goose. Let's look for
Dragon fruit. Wonder if it can really help the old man see the future.
Yes. Is there some treasure here? No. It's really quite remarkable how there's like monsters in every single cave. Knowing that I as a kid would definitely go into these caves, I would have so died. I would have really made it past like 10 in the world of Witcher. This place is dangerous. Unless there was like two sides safe. We'll see to Sarah at like the very end of the game, the DLC. God, I'm like so stuffy.
Oh,
Slaughtering.
you're back.
Yes, and I got some dragon's roots.
Got what you asked for.
Thanky. Now I need a moment. I see a wolf striving forward towards a solitary tower midst a blizzard. He follows the swallow, yet the swallow does not heed the wolf's howls, soaring higher and higher, for it knows 'tis its last flight. As do others say, so shall it be. Look for the sign.
Prophecy.
The world will perish amidst ice and be reborn with the new sun. Reborn of the elder blood, of Henniker, of a planted seed.
Ifleen's prophecy.
Leave
Yeah.
me be. Go. Go now.
Yeah. It's basically the ending or a ending of the story. When the world perishes amidst ice. Yeah. Spoilers, I guess. Let's do that. Here's a bit of the Novigrad quest. Like we're riding into Novigrad, we'll see. We'll just ride into it and then. I'll see you there actually. If I can exit the game. I suppose not. It may very well crash right now. Doesn't seem very responsive. Come on. God damn it. Let me leave, please. I beg of you. I shouldn't alt-tab when I'm in like loading screens. It's just asking for problems. Ah, for fuck's sakes. Nah, it's frozen. I'll be back. Okay, I had the game paused, but I came back to this because it's a cutscene.
Halt! No passage. Bridge is closed.
Because
We're on the way to the
Because King Radomir said it should be. Won't let anyone through who don't have a pass.
I do have a pass.
Perfect.
Gave me.
just so happens I have a pass.
What? Let me see. Scene forged. You never know. All right, move on.
All right. So we are. Dude, Roach, I swear,
Move it.
ankles.
Oh! Come on.
That's that open. You think it's alright if you're not cut it over before finishing down?
Come on, Roach.
But you can. You can bypass that. Or get like a main. I need to sneeze. Jesus. Okay. So yeah, we're on our way to Novigrad, which is called the Free City, as it's not technically part of the kingdom, and it's where all the mages are, but it's currently under control of the witch hunters. So it's not an ideal place. We see that. See a lot with like crime witch burning, other evil stuff. I can see it in the distance already. But despite all of this, it's one of my favorite like areas. Not just in The Witcher, but like in general, there's like an atmosphere to it. I think it's based off Gdansk in Poland. I know it's based on a Polish shit in a bit. I can't quite remember which one. The only thing is, this will be the last time in a while I see Roach, because you can't speed what I typically see. Roach's automatically slowed going into the city, so it just always go by foot. Like Roach is not useful in the city. You're much faster on foot. But yeah, a free city of Novigrad. Oh, here's...
He fix it for you?
No,
He'll come to the wrong place. That he sells dumplings.
I'll talk to him. This is a smith.
What do you have on offer?
Redanian dumplings, speciality of the house, heartily recommended. Blimey, a vat gun in my establishment? It can't be.
How do you know I'm a witcher?
You joking? Silver blades, who else uses them? Crafted in Mahakam, am I right? Must be about 40 inches long?
40 and a half. Still impressed. You're something of an expert, evidently.
I'm Ibir Hattori, former master swordsmith. Currently, master of dumplings.
Geralt of Rivia.
A pleasure, Geralt. How might I help you? Care to try a dumpling?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Tasty.
Glad to hear it. Anything else I can do for you?
Looking for a good swordsmith. No one?
3 swords on your back. A bit much, don't you think?
Good one. But all jests aside, you make swords anymore?
Really. It's dumplings now. I must make a living. But I miss the hammer, anvil, and bellows. Oh, the heat of the forge. Were it not for that swiving Van Horn.
Don't know what you're talking about.
I shan't greet a witcher with dumplings. Come, let me show you something.
This is a quest that I will not complete until much, much later. But I wanted to get it started already.
Quite a collection. Premium quality, too.
Thank you. I've kept these as mementos.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Damn shame you don't make them anymore. I'd gladly replace what I have with this kind of steel. Someone with your skills? Why the hell are you needing dough?
This might surprise you. The pay is better. But above all, it's much safer. Food vendors rarely disappear or end up as cripples.
I see. Someone controlling Novigrad's smithing
There's a
market?
lot of crime
Not
in
officially,
Novigrad.
though. All supplies go through Ernst Van Horn. And they say he plays cards with Cleaver.
And Cleaver is one of the lords of Novigrad, like crime
Tried
lords.
negotiating? Making a deal?
With Van Horn? Do you jest? He's a proper heartless bastard. Either play by his rules and pay him, or go out of business.
I see.
But I shan't complain. Dumplings have proven an excellent source of income. It's just... well...
You
Boring.
miss the heat of the forge. Tried getting supplies from someone else?
Those rogues of the underworld control all the sources. How am I to talk to them? Unless... would you be willing to help me?
Sure.
Want me to help you get you supplies? How?
Just come with me to a meeting. As my bodyguard, it'll bolster my confidence. Truth be told, not so long ago, I tried negotiating some iron deliveries with one of the King of Beggars' men.
Take it he's important in the underworld, too.
Definitely.
What's more, he's on piss-poor terms with Cleaver, who backs Van Horn. It's just... he demanded an inordinately large share of the profits. I thought you might help me negotiate. I don't mean gratis. I'm certain we can agree on a fee.
I think it's weird they say
Could I
gratis, because it's a
choose
Dutch
something
word.
from your collection?
Oh, forget this rubbish. I shall forge you a sword fit for killing gods.
I don't know.
It's a shame that the sword he gives you is
Not really sure I
actually
wanna meddle with
complete
them.
shite.
I badly need your help. Van Horn is a Van Horsem. Must be taught a
Good
lesson.
one.
I'd be eternally grateful. Plate armor, yours. Or perhaps you'd like a catapult or a trebuchet.
I'd like a trebuchet.
Fine. Arrange the meeting.
Splendid.
Yeah. Imagine, with a trebuchet. But yeah, the quest is very high level. I think it's like a 24. Yeah, 24. So we can't do that yet. We can completely destroy.
Taking a rest from witch hunting. Greetings, Your Honor.
Yeah, the switch is not great. Like in the slightest.
How are we to fight a pestilence that changes form?
Yes. These are also characters from Witcher 2.
No evil can survive the holy fire. The holy fire enlightens, burns, and cleanses. Behold the flame of grace and mercy. Special fire for you, freak. Nice, slow burning. You'll beg for mercy in all the voices known to you.
Yes, Doppler.
None. I wanted only to live like you. Help me, kind folk, please.
But
Sure hope Doo-Doo hasn't met the same fate.
in this episode, because with that I want to end the episode. I want to thank you all for watching. Next episode we'll continue with the story in Novigrad. If you liked it, leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Plenty of other content, other Let's Plays too, are on its way. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next episode.